This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Generals Online. To begin, you will need a working copy of Command & Conquer Generals. Many players use the 0-hour expansion for enhanced online features. Next, download and install the latest community-made online client, often found on dedicated fan sites. This client provides the necessary framework to connect to custom servers and enjoy multiplayer matches with ease. Ensure your game is updated to the correct version for optimal performance. Once your game is set up, launch the online client. You will typically see a server browser displaying various active games. Look for servers with a low ping, ideally under 100 milliseconds, to ensure a smooth experience. Many clients require you to create a free account to track your stats and connect with friends. After logging in, you can join an existing lobby or host your own game, inviting up to 7 other players for a full 8-player match. When playing online, strategic thinking is key. Focus on building a strong economy in the first 5 to 10 minutes of the game. Observe your opponent's strategies and adapt your unit production accordingly. For example, if they are using tanks, counter with anti-tank infantry or aircraft. Good communication with your teammates is crucial in 2 versus 2 or 4 versus 4 matches. Use the in-game chat to coordinate attacks and defenses, leading to more victories. Sometimes, you might encounter technical difficulties. If you cannot connect, first check your firewall settings to ensure the game and client are allowed through. Many online communities, like Revora or Gen Patcher forums, offer extensive troubleshooting guides and support. These communities are also excellent places to find new opponents, learn advanced strategies, and stay updated on game developments. Enjoy countless hours of strategic warfare with players from around the globe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.